Hi, I'm Bean. Today, I have a shoe unboxing to do. Basically, I ordered a bad boy from Farfetch, all the way from the UK. I have with me today the Ambush and Nike collab that's been out for quite a moment, but I really wanted to get some shoes to do like an Ambush Gentle Monster lookbook with, just based around my like Gentle Monster Ambush glasses that I had, and I figured what would be better for that than these shoes. So I know that, again, it's a little bit late, but I thought that maybe my input might help those who are still trying to get it now. I feel like a lot of people still really like these shoes and want these shoes, so I'm gonna try to do as comprehensive of a review as possible. So Farfetch did have the best deal. I got these bad boys for, what was it? Like $130, I think. But anyway, most places were listing them for like $180 or like almost $200. So I definitely got them for a good price. In it, we have our little Farfetch propaganda. No, it's like a, I don't know what this is. It's just like my, yeah, and a little UK Farfetch sticker, like what's on the box. I love that, that's so cute. And yet another Farfetch sticker. I've never gotten stickers from Farfetch, have you? No. Yeah, this is new, but this one's really cute. I'm probably gonna put this on my laptop. I love that. Ooh, this is a special box. We have our Ambush Nike box moment. It's so cute. It has these little like rings around the little holes. Yes, a little eyelet moment, but a big one. Is it still called an eyelet when it's not on shoes? I have no idea. I'm so excited to open this. The box is hella cool. I'm probably gonna keep this and like put stuff in it. One of the cutest boxes, because we all know that Rick and Wang are ooh, she opens like this. Bam. That's so swag. I see what they have going on with their little Ambush wrapping paper too. Right off the bat, there's a scuff mark already. And yeah, somebody definitely has tried these on before. There's like dust and like little tiny scuffs on the bottom, but I mean, that's unavoidable, I guess. You never know what you're gonna get. You get a return or what, but it smells like new shoes. Brings back memories, reminds me of like Rack Room shoes and like Shoe Carnival and all of that for some reason. But anyway, yeah, we have our little ripstop material. Listen to that. ASMR. Looks really clean and nice. It is a bit of like an off-white color. I'm noticing right off the bat. There's a few. I don't think so. That looks, it almost literally looks like a Sharpie or something. I don't know if I should I take them back for just that? I don't know, because these are probably gonna get way more specs than that on it. Whatever. That aside, we'll figure that out later off camera. But that aside, I really like the design right off the bat. It looks much more like impressive in person. Like, I'm sure that this video is doing it no justice, but just this accent here is just so clean in contrast against these various shades of like white and beige. Yeah, obviously really clean. Let me take out the other one. Yeah, and I've noticed Nike really always glues their shoes really shitty. Like, you can literally see like hot glue coming up onto this suede accent here. No shade, yes shade. I've never ever had that problem with like Adidas before, and they're in the same price range, so I don't know about it, but I'm really excited to try these on. I literally don't own a pair of Nike shoes. Like, I genuinely don't. If you unzip it, there is this like neoprene scuba moment on the inside with like little cutouts so that it's breathable, but then if you want to wear them unzipped, it's like a look to just do it like that, you know, which I think is very cute. And I also love how the zipper goes a bit asymmetrical. Very cute. So I'm gonna put these bad boys on my feet, let you guys know how they feel, if the sizing's right. I got an 8, which is a UK 6, so yeah. Look, I even love the bright orange ambush on the inside. Okay, so after wearing them around a little bit, I do have some things that I can let you guys know. I don't know what this means. The sizing is definitely right for me. I would say that it's comfortable. Actually, a very comfortable shoe. I think that the sole is really bouncy and nice and comfortable. However, if you have a very wide foot, I don't think that this is the shoe for you. I think that that's the case in most of these sort of like trendy, like neoprene type shoes. They have like a very slimming silhouette, the foot area is actually quite narrow. I have very narrow feet and I'm even kind of feeling this tightness on the edge. The back of it is actually very roomy. So I think that the most narrow part is sort of right where your toes start, like sort of like right in this area if this were to be a foot. And then the loosest part is around the ankle, like in the heel. If anything, I do kind of wish they maybe put in a little bit more padding there because it's very thin, a little loose, and when you're kind of walking around, this part can be a bit uncomfortable if your heel is like rubbing back and forth against it. I wish there was just a little bit more padding and support back here for something that's so like tight here at the front. And the sole is comfortable, everything else is comfortable except for maybe that. There's a lot of wiggle room up around here. I think that that's kind of intentional though. I think it adds to the look. Even like the pulling sort of sensation that you get in the material here once you put it on. It's kind of like a look. I think that was definitely intentional and I think it works well. I think it's very cute. The only thing that I will say is that this came very dirty with like a messy glue job and there's like multiple spots all around it. I'm sure that this would be much easier if you guys got these in black. The black colorway is actually really cute as well. These will get dirty. They are going to be waterproof because of the material, which I think is really great, especially for a white shoe, I guess. But other than that, I think that this is going to go really well with my clear ambush glasses. Yeah, overall I would say that the shoes are pretty comfortable. They weren't, you know, super hot, but then again, my feet don't really get that sweaty. I think that sort of the breathing room that you have up here helps a lot. I think that the neoprene is super duper cute. I love the look of it. I love how it looks unzipped. And yeah, that's pretty much my first impression on the shoe. Let me guys know. Let me know if you guys have any other sort of like information that would be helpful to me or to anybody else that's watching this, I guess. Thank you so much for watching this. I'm sorry, I'm hella late to the trend, but I'm glad that I got it for a good price. I'm glad that I got it to match my outfit that I'm going to be putting out soon. Watch out for that, my look page video of my ambush inspired look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you later.